Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is basically on Infytq Platform Registration for 2022 batch. First of all, this is not a slot booking registration or this is not a slot booking for the qualifier round. This is only platform registration because there are so many queries that I read in the comment section that first is college name is not in the list. How to complete full registration on Infytq platform, because there are two steps to complete the Infytq registration on Infytq platform. Because whenever there is slot booking in upcoming days or in next month, so there is no problem at all. So we need to complete full registration on Infytq platform. Third point is, what is the alternate option for college name? If I not found my college name is in the college list, so what is the alternate option for college name? Can I contact to my TPO to my college, or we can say that there is a alternate option for college name. Fourth point is, can't find particular courses. There are so many queries that Java course is not accessible on the Infytq platform. So let's clear and understand all the points in this video and clear your all our doubts. So let's start the video, friends. So firstly, go to the Infytq certification website. Like this, you need to go to infytq.infosys.com. So this is the Infytq official website. You can see that this is opening, and after you can see that there is a home page or there is a login page in which you have two options like sign in and registration. So there is two option. These two option are both are well, but I can choose the sign in option because there is two platforms available or two social media platform available for direct registration. Like if you have Facebook and you have Google, you can sign in easily with Facebook and Google. So or you use your email address for complete the registration. So and if you are new user and if you don't want to complete registration from Facebook or Google or with email address, so you can just go to the register and fill all the correct details of yours and complete the registration. So I can choose the Google. So when I can choose the Google, there is some options of Google email addresses. So I can choose one option, and there is opening page of Infytq. Like there is terms and condition. Firstly, accept the terms and condition. After that, you will see a form page. So I can take an example of my friends, and this is complete registration form. So I can fill the complete registration form. Like I have filled the first name and last name. So for the mobile number, I just fill the mobile number, and if you can see that I will so there is a random number can I choose for the, and this is email ID, and this is the referral email ID. If you want to share the referral email ID, you can add, or you want to choose your according to your suitability. So what is your highest qualification type? If you are postgraduate, master equivalent, or graduation bachelor's equivalent, for the 2022 batch, you need to choose this option. So what is your highest qualification? If you are doing Bachelor of Engineering honors or Bachelor of Technology honors according to your CGPA, so you can choose Bachelor of Technology or Bachelor of Technology. Just for country, just type your country and choose. For your state, choose your state according to you live. Where is your institute? So see that there are so many institute in this option. Like my friend institute name is Acropolis Technical Campus. So see that we find the Acropolis Technical Campus Indore. So there are so many options. So there, if you not find the college name in the particular list, so just select the others option. If you don't find the institute name in the sections or like in the particular section, so just check others option. In my case, my institute name is fine, so I just add the institute name. What is your specialization? So friends, you can see that there is nothing no shown at all. So just type that computer science engineering. So specialization and year of completion for 2022 batch you can choose and submit. Please select specialization from list. So see that first you have to type computer science engineering in it and then just select and submit, and you can see that your profile updated and done. And then you have so this is the official page, home page of Infytq. There is a login page and this is home page of Infytq. You can see that welcome back Priyanka, and there is a foundation course of you can choose according to your courses. So important step second, there is a first step, you need to register on the Infytq platform using your social profile. Then go to your explore all features and there is a profile section. So there is a profile section, you need to update so you can see your all your details like Priyanka Tiwari, your first name, last name, mobile number, email address, referral email ID, graduation, Bachelor of Technology, country, state, institute, specialization and year of completion, and you can submit the information at all at one time. So friends, this is very important point to ensure that before qualifier round slot booking you need to complete this both steps completely with step by step registration. So don't miss any step to avoid any inconvenience. And friend, if you do not find the college name, so there is an alternative option called other and there is a specialization. So we resolve the first and second point, college name is not in the list, we resolve that you need to choose other option. How to complete full registration, we will see the full registration step that you can see in the video. What is the alternate option for college name other? Can't find particular courses. Okay, so I go to Infosys certification page and there is a 4 section like Infosys certification, learning journey and learning content. So this is the Python course. You need to select just Java courses. You can see that you can access both the courses easily. There is a courses of programming using Java and data structure and algorithms using Java. So you can see that database management and Python courses. So it is accessible. So friends, today's video is all about Infytq platform registration. So if you have any doubt, you can ask simply in the comment section or DM on Instagram, and join our Telegram group for the latest update for the slot booking and for DBMS. And you can prefer the playlist of Infytq on YouTube channel. On our YouTube channel you can see various videos on like particular topic like DBMS and Python MCQ, and we can continue this series and solve daily practice questions for Infytq. So I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.